Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's dive in. It's a ring holder. I know what's going on. This guy made a paint which absorbs 100% of the light. Usually every paint should be reflecting, but this is one, it's absorbing everything. Super dark. That's a kind of alarm I always wanted to. Looks like it's an old advertisement. She's trying to chase her alarm. Oh my god. I bet she's gonna find another person right now. No. No, I don't want that. No. Product red, of course. Yeah. That's a surfing board, but with air. So they're blowing under your board, made of porcelain, and it's much more efficient. I don't know. And it's much. We need water. This guy is making a tiny chess. Schachmate. Tiny chessboard. I'm wondering how you can play with that. Using your microscope, maybe. Cherry wood. Oh, it's made of wood. Oh, that's a new perfume. Oh, I think. So it's a kind of portable device to carry your perfume with you. So this guy is fighting with a flame. I see. So he made a shield, like with this water flow. Looks like he's just covering himself with a kind of umbrella. That looks great. So that's a helmet, and you can drive. I think it's a concept as well. With the rear camera and GPS navigation and speed. That's cool. That's cool. So you can see what's going on behind you, and you can also check the speed and whatever without turning your head like that. So that's a Robofish. That's cool. That's cool. Oh my god. Oh, that's the bike that I wanted. Oh, that's great. This motorcycle is great. This motorcycle is amazing. So that means there's nothing inside your wheel. I'm wondering, how is it even moving? Maybe it's with a gyroscope. Maybe it's with gyroscope. That's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next video.